Do you feel your money isn't working hard enough? You're not alone. Banks are silently taking money from your pockets every single day. But how does this happen? Let's uncover the truth you need to know. Many people trust their banks to keep their money safe. But banks are businesses. Their bottom line is profit, not your financial well-being. This leads to practices that cost you money without you even realizing it. Let's break it down into easily understandable steps. First, banks charge fees. These fees might seem small at first, but over time they add up. Think about monthly maintenance fees and ATM fees. They can drain your account without you noticing. Next, consider interest rates. Banks often pay low interest rates on savings accounts. Meanwhile, they lend out your money at much higher rates. For them, that's pure profit. You're earning a fraction while they enjoy the benefits of your savings. Another point to consider is insufficient funds fees. You might think you're covered, but a small overdraft can incur hefty charges. This fee can hit you when you least expect it. Now, this isn't just a one-time event. It can add up quickly if you're not careful. Here's an example to illustrate this. Imagine you're charged $10 monthly for maintenance. If you keep your money in the bank for a year, that's $120 gone. That's money you could have saved or invested. It's a silent thief. So, what can you do about it? Start by reviewing your bank fees carefully. Look at your statements and question any fees. Consider switching to a bank with lower fees or higher interest rates. There are many online banks offering better options. In summary, banks profit from fees and low interest rates. This can cost you hundreds every year. But now that you know, you can start taking action. Make informed choices to keep your money safe and working for you. Don't let your bank take your hard-earned cash silently. Take control of your finances today. Check your bank statements, ask questions, and consider alternatives. Start your journey to financial empowerment now.